Now we have one piece with, you know, this blue tiles. So I think we make one little pot with flowers, and this like blue. And now light pink flowers here. Then dark green for the leaves. And that is that. It's super cute. I was thinking something like this. I will add from this Posca pen one circle. So let's see. Something. It is so tiny. Oh my god. So something like this, and then the sky and everything will be orange. So we can do it like this, and then everything else will be white moon, maybe here. And then a little bit of shadows, and then everything else should be black. So the mountains in the distance, the water, and a few birds. Like this. And also then some grass all around. Coming out of the frame, some bushes. Get it? And then I was thinking dark red rose maybe here. And maybe also here. And few of the buds here and there. That's that. But it's okay. For a so tiny painting, it's not bad. But I also want to add a little bit of like a grass or something here. Very tiny. Here and there. Now we're drying. Again, a blue sky, but very blue. Here. Also here blue, because this is the water. Then I want to pink here. this one, but with this tiny brush, because here is some shoreline like this, and also green because it is some trees are here. And then two rocks. I will make these rocks from black. Here is the one, and here is other. Then we will add white, and then maybe darker brown, and then dark blue around. And here to show the waves, maybe the end of this shore, and here and there some waves. And also a little bit of white. And one little moon in the distance, maybe here. Like this. Light orange sky. Here. And maybe also here. Then light blue. But this is everything so foggy. And here is one tree. So this is super simple, but I don't know how this going on my painting. That's why I want to add a little bit of pink here. I need white because this one is already used, so we need white to cover, white with white gouache. Now I want to change a little bit and dry very blue sky. Dark hills here. And then water. A little bit of waves. Just here and there. Like this. And then I need to work on this part and this. And I think this is beautiful. Should we add a little bit of green, maybe here on these hills, just to show that this is some difference. Now for here I have some light blue sky, and then some hills in the distance. We will show it with darker blue, and then the green. I want to show here, like this is green field, super dark green. We will add some bushes here and there. That is everything in such distance. And then maybe some yellow flowers here, and also this green for the stumps. Like this.